Hi everyone, welcome back to Inspire Your Daily Grind. My name is Aljen and today's episode is about healing past wounds. Letting go to grow. Lahat tayo may sugat mula sa nakaraan. Heartbreak, rejection, or failure. But healing means letting go so we can grow. Ang paghilom ay nagsisimula sa pagbitaw para makalakad tungo sa bagong bukas. I remember holding on to past mistakes for years. Alam mo yung pakaramdam na you have a fear to start over. And it weighed me down. Parang hindi ako makausad. But one day, I choose to forgive myself. I realized that the past cannot be changed, but the future can be built. Kapag natuto kang magpatawad, sa sarili man o sa iba, gumagaan ang puso, ang sugat ay nagiging aral, at ang aral ay nagiging lakas. And that moment of release gave me a freedom. Healing past wounds is not about forgetting, but it's about transforming pain into wisdom. Holding on keep us stuck, but letting go allow us to grow. Kapag bitbit mo ang bigat ng nakaraan, hindi ka makakagalaw ng malaya. Healing is not erasing the past, but it's embracing the lesson and moving forward stronger. Sa grind, growth requires release, letting go of what no longer serves you. So here's the challenge. Write down one wound from your past that still weighs on you. Then ask yourself, what lesson did it teach me? Choose to let go and allow that lesson to guide your growth. Thank you so much again for joining me on Inspire Your Daily Grind. Again, my name is Aljen. Remember, healing is not about forgetting. It's about transforming. Ang pagbitaw ay hindi pagkawala, kundi paghilom at paglago. If this episode inspired you, share it with someone who needs encouragement to let go and grow. Together, we rise one grind at a time. So before we end our episode for today, I would like to share to all of you these motivational quotes. Healing doesn't mean the damage never existed. It means the damage no longer controls your life. Thank you so much again for tuning in and see you again to the next episode.